Hello and welcome back to the Azure DevOps course. In this lesson, we will start creating our Azure repo. This repo will contain our demo.NET Core project. This .NET Core project is a front-end web app written with Razor Pages framework. Let's start creating our repo in the Azure Repos. We'll click here for Azure Repos. Click here for new repository. Let's start typing the name of our repo. 12p shopping front-end app. Let's create it. Now we created our repo. Let's clone it and push our .NET Core web app code. I will take this URL. This is our project, .NET Core project. It consists of two projects, the main project, the front-end project, and a unit test project. Let's open the PowerShell. I will now clone the remote repo. But before cloning, to authenticate with the Azure repo, so you can push your new code, you need to put your credential after the colon here. Make a colon after your name and put the password. This password you will have it here. Get credentials. Copy this password. Put it after the colon. Then clone. Okay. So let's copy our code inside the repo. So now we can push the new code. If we open the terminal here, add all the contents to the stage, then make a commit, adding our .NET Core project, then make a push. Now we have pushed our project to the Azure repo. If we refresh now, the Azure repo contains our project. As I said, the project contains two projects, the main front-end app. Let's open the solution file. Okay. The solution file contains of two projects, the main front-end project. It's written with the Razor Pages framework. It's a .NET Core framework. So it is only a front-end static app. It doesn't have any back-end logic. We will use it as a demo for all our pipelines and releases. We will use it through the course in all the demos. This is the main front-end app, and this is a unit test. It's a dummy unit test. Contains only an assert to assert that 2 plus 2 equal 4. So it is a dummy unit test. I will use it only to run to make a demo for running the unit test on the pipelines and showing the test report on the Azure pipelines. So we will use both of them, the front end and the unit test project, in our demos. And that's all for this lesson. See you in the next lecture.